Hi tubers, what's up people? Bleach PC here. Yeah, Maximum the Hormone is one of my favorite Japanese / punk bands. And this video I'm going to tell you about Sears and the mysteriously disappearing lawnmowers back in '94. Now, back in '94, I would have push mowers, Craftsman push mowers. Most of them were self-propelled. And the first year I bought one, because we had a really crummy Briggs before that barely ran, and then we went to Sears and got one in '94. Now, I had maintenance agreements on them and stuff. I get oil changes and stuff, and the first year I took it back to be worked on in '94. They lost it. They lost my frickin' lawnmower. And then the second year, in '95, I took it. They actually gave me a new lawnmower, merchandise credit, and then I took that mower in '95, and I had that one worked on. They frickin' lost that one too. Now I got thinking. I didn't do this intentionally, but I got thinking. So basically, I would just leave my lawnmower for about 2-3 months, '96, and they would keep losing them. I basically got a new lawnmower every year, push mower, because they would lose them. Sometimes I would intentionally have them try to lose them, and they did. This is kind of wrong for me, but yeah. I did this up to 2000, and 2000 was the last year I did it, because I figured they're getting wise. And that's that push mower you see in the video that I fixed the cover on and currently use the big wheels, the high wheels. Now, what else would I like to say? I guess that's about it. You guys take care, and until you see me next time, don't forget to change your your oil in the lawnmower. Don't forget, you bastard. Hear that loud chooch, that big engine? Now, until you see me next time, don't forget to change the oil in your lawnmower, or actually put oil in there, because you will have sparkles. And I do like sparkles, but not lawnmowers. You guys take care. Bye.